In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your camera on and off in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working from home or joining a virtual meeting, knowing how to control your camera is a simple but very useful skill. Let's get started. First, sign into your Microsoft Teams account. If you're not logged in yet, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Teams, which you can usually find through the Microsoft 365 suite. Click the Sign In button and enter your account details. If you use more than one account, make sure you choose the one connected to your work or group to avoid any problems. Once you're signed in, look for the video camera icon. This is usually located at the top right of the screen or somewhere in the main menu bar. It looks like a small video camera. Clicking this icon takes you to a page where you can start a meeting or join an existing one. This is where your camera controls will be available. Next, let's start or join a meeting. You can either create a new meeting or enter one that's already scheduled. To start a new meeting, look for a button that says Start Meeting or something similar, depending on your version of Teams. Click it, and you may be asked to name the meeting or invite participants. Now that you're inside the meeting window, you'll see a toolbar, usually at the bottom of the screen. On this toolbar, look for another video camera icon next to the microphone and chat buttons. Clicking this camera icon turns your video on or off. If your camera is on, click the icon once to turn it off. You'll notice the icon change, often showing a camera with a line through it, which means your video is now disabled. This is useful for privacy and can also help save internet bandwidth. To turn your camera back on, just click the same video camera icon again. The icon will return to its normal look, showing that your camera is active and visible to everyone in the meeting. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to control your camera in Microsoft Teams. Keeping your camera off when you don't need it can improve focus, protect your privacy, and help your connection run more smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials.